If you live in the adventure space like I do, and your leather gear starts looking like this, is this mold? Is this salt coming through? What is this? Stick around. I'm going to show you exactly what this is and how to fix it to bring your leather gear back to brand new. So first off, I got this beautiful leather hat from Connor Hats about 6 months ago, and I didn't take it off for like 3 months. So, you know, this hat, it has seen the sun, it has seen the cold, it has seen snow, it has seen rain, it has seen very hot days, all kinds of weather. And I put it away for wintertime, and just checking on it here, I so happen to see it, and it has all this white stuff all over it. Now this is genuine buffalo leather, and that is not mold. That is actually a sign of a well-made, genuine leather something. This can happen to your boots, this can happen to your jackets. In this case, my hat. That is called bloom, leather bloom. I've seen cowboy shows calling it spew and different other things, but this is bloom, and this is the main causes of this. During the tanning process and the process in which they take the leather and they seal it and they waterproof it and stuff. Sometimes they can add too much in or a lot, and in this case, the fats, oils, or waxes can seep out of the leather. A lot of people that work in the field say they do that on purpose to be able to have the leather, whenever it's drying out, whether it's put away for a while or lasting decades, being a high quality object here. A lot of times they would have it rejuvenate and rehydrate itself so that it'll last you a longer time. So this is more than likely fat from the skin itself of the buffalo, or added fats and oils that go into it. Could also be a little bit of wax. So either way, it's a good thing. It's showing high quality hat, high quality leather in here, and a good sealing process to be able to make sure that this lasts a long time. However, when this happens, it's ugly. You don't want to walk around with your hat like this, your wallet, your jacket, your shoes, whatever. So we got to fix this. To fix this is quite simple. First off, just look over it, see where all areas that the bloom is coming out from. Outside, more worn spots, creases. Check the inside here, see if anything here. Now this here is salt. This is sweat from salt, and I know that that's me. And maybe a mixture of bloom a little bit, but so this is a completely different process. You know what this is. This is dried out. You got to actually wash this a little bit with a wet cloth. The bloom, however, on the outside, and this is straight on the leather, all you do is you take a cloth of some kind. You can use a paper towel, you can use a wet cloth, whatever you got. I'm just going to use a bandana here. Something that you should have on you anyway. My pap always had one on him. We called it a hanky way back when, but he used it for all sorts of things. But you just sort of take it and you rub it around, and you are taking a little bit of it off. Now that looks like dust mixed with the bloom on top of my hat, but you take it, and so it's taking the dust off, and it's also rubbing those fats and oils back into your leather. If you have a shoe brush for high quality leather shoes, you can brush it, get that off of there. I'm a little bit more gentle with my hat right now because I want it to look nice, and I want to sort of buff it. Now it's not getting any more shiny than the spot over here that I didn't do. It's just sort of blending in and looking back to the same. Now you can see not much is coming off onto the cloth. This is a sort of go around the entire thing. Only takes 5 minutes here, and look, your hat's back to brand new again. Nothing to worry about. That is not mold. That is leather bloom. Top of your hat, back to beautiful again. I'm not gonna waste any more of your time here showing you the rest of me fiddle farting around with this, but just simply go around anywhere where you see the bloom, go ahead and rub it down. And after you've spent the 5 minutes it takes to fix your hat, it's back to brand new again. Go ahead and take her, put her back on your head where she belongs, and go head out back into the wilderness. This has been BearStone Adventures. If you like this video, be sure to give me a like, thumbs up, follow, all that good stuff, and leave me a comment down below what you want to see next. See you in the next one, guys. Later, guys. See ya.